Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel pending OPay transaction. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the OPay app on your device and log in using your credentials. Once you're done, it's going to take you to this home screen. We have a couple of icons to explore from. Now check the bottom of the screen, bottom right to be precise, and select Me. Once you tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of the screen, you're going to see a couple of options here: transaction history, account limit, bank card and amount, transfer to me, security center, and read off. Click transaction history. I'm not going to click on that because sensitive information, but select transaction history. And once you select transaction history, you'll be able to view recent transactions. Now browse through your transaction history to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are typically labeled as such. Now, tap on the pending transaction to view its details. If the option to cancel is available, you'll see a cancel or void button. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. After submitting your cancellation request, monitor your account for a confirmation notification. If the transaction is successfully cancelled, the funds will be returned to your account. I'd like you to know that you can only cancel a pending transaction if it has not been processed yet, because once the transaction is completed, it cannot be cancelled. Pending transactions may take up to 24 hours to be processed. If the transaction remains pending beyond this period, it may be automatically cancelled. If you're unable to cancel the transaction or need further assistance, contact OPay customer support. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.